Sometimes you have a set of data and you want to figure out what are your highs and lows. First thing you want to do is select the range of cells. We're going to go to our Home tab, our Styles group, click the down arrow for Conditional Formatting, and I'm going to go to my data bars. I'm going to choose the data bar that I would like to use. I'm going to click on it once, and now I can see my highs and my lows. Now in the rest of the data, what I want to do is see what are the top 10 cells. So I'm going to go to my Home tab, my Styles group, click the down arrow for Conditional Formatting. I'm going to go to my Conditional Formatting and I want to do top and bottom rules, and I want to find out what is the top 10. And if you notice, it automatically puts a color on here. And if you don't like the color, what you can do over in this section right here, click the down arrow and you can go to custom formats. And what I want to do, I want to make that green. In my fill tab, I'm going to click on the green color. I'm going to click OK, and then I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And these are my highest numbers